Hello and welcome back to Bo's Garage. Got a couple tips on this beautiful 1973 Ford F250. So as many of you know, some of you know, I'm the second owner of this truck. I did some digging through the glove box and at Emporium Motors. Mr. Charles, or Chuck, was the first original owner of this truck. He passed away in 2005, and I'm trying to get it back into running order, so let me kind of take you around and show you what I've done so far. Alright, now we're outside. This police officer over there. Hey, I didn't do it, I swear. Alright, let's see here. Alright, so today, just put on this nice ass trim. Sit in the bed of the truck, cleaned out the bed. Thank you, RJ, for helping me with that. Also, I don't know if you noticed, they got headlights that actually work. The other ones were shot. What else did I have done? Well, I cleaned up the bed. We're trying to get rid of some of the bad stickers on here. The Jasper one could stay. All the other stickers were just too faded and worn out to actually stick around. What else did I do today? Oh, I forget to show that. The Bo built magnet that I had made for any of my cars that I decided to keep. And this thing ain't going anywhere. But yeah, take a look. Empty bed. Bed's in decent shape. I checked under the mat. I mean, there's the worst of it right there. But hard to see. It's kind of sunset, but it's not too bad. Look at this dude. Take care, everybody.